got something a little different for y'all. I typically don't do product reviews, but for the last few months, I've been in the market for some new gloves. I think KEMIMOTO was reading my mind or my emails or my searches. Nah, I'm just playing. But anyway, these showed up. So I'm gonna take a few minutes to review them and unbox them. All right, here's the box. KEMIMOTO. Okay, pink. Okay, because I'm a girl. So I'm gonna take these off. Got some little taping on here. I don't know if this is supposed to come off. Let's see how they fit. And I'm gonna take all the plastic off, once I get ready to go on the actual ride. Right now we're just trying them out. Okay. I like it. Nice. Fit. Not too loose, not too tight. Okay. So let's go for a ride. All right, so took a little ride with the gloves. Initial impression, pretty decent. Pretty decent. So slightly tight. Once I break them in, I believe they'll be just how I like them. I do love the fact that we have the breathable material. I felt all the wind in between my fingers. So yeah, I will, for now, definitely recommend. I like it. I have to do a long-term review to tell you if I love them. But if you are in the market for some gloves, I think these are a good pair right here. KEMIMOTO RS3, right now for the win.